Hello, welcome back once again. Today we're going to evaluate this integral. This is an indefinite integral, right? So we have x times 4 to the power of x dx, okay? So in this video we're going to make use of the integration by methods, the integration by parts method, right? So sorry for that, okay? So remember that we have done a full video length about how we could derive the integration by parts from the product rule of a derivative of product of functions, right? But in this video here, can we actually make use of integration by parts? Yes, of course, but not as we are seeing this function here, okay? So remember, to make use of the integration by parts formula, our function or our integral needs to be in this form. Integral of something, let's say g of x, right? Multiplied by e raised to the power of h of x, then dx, okay? So, but if you look at this, we have an exponential function here, and we just have this x here. So we need to make it to be in that form. So what are you thinking? Let's think about this identity. We know that a, we can write a as e raised to the power of ln of a, right? So raise both sides to the power of b. We see that a to the power of b can be written as e raised to the power of b multiplied by the ln of a. So if you use this idea here, then 4 to the power of x is going to be equal to e raised to the power of x multiplied by the ln of 4. So let's keep this aside. So we have that 4 raised to the power of x is equal to e to the power of x multiplied by the ln of 4. Cool. Okay. Are you with me? Then let's call this integral I before we proceed. So calling this integral I, so we get I is equal to the integral of x times e raised to the power of x multiplied by the ln of 4 dx, okay? So let's take note of this standard integral formula. So remember that the integral of e raised to the power of, let's say, bx with respect to x, that this is equal to e raised to the power of bx divided by the b, then plus c. So you will see when this will be very helpful, or when this will be very useful in this video, okay? So let's start with our integration by parts method, okay? So here we're going to let u equals x, of which you know that the derivative will just give us 1 dx, abi? So which is just dx. Then what is our v? Our v will be the integral of the other function there, which is e raised to the power of x times the ln of 4 dx. So you can see now we can make use of this formula, right? Okay. So this will give us e raised to the power of x multiplied by the ln of 4 divided by the ln of 4, right? So the derivative will be the reverse order, which is e raised to the power of x ln of 4, right? Then dx. Okay. So now our I is going to be uv, do not forget, minus the integral of v, then du. This is just the integration by parts formula, right? So now using that idea here, so we get this is equal to u is x, v is, look at our v, don't forget, so v is e raised to the power of x times ln of 4, then divided by the ln of 4, then minus the integral of v. Remember our v is e to the power of x multiplied by the ln of 4, then divided by the ln of 4, and then du. Don't forget our du. Take a look, here is our du. Are you seeing that? So du is what? dx. Okay, so now from here I is equal to, this is x, e raised to the power of x times ln of 4 divided by the ln of 4, then minus 1 over ln of 4 multiplied by the integral of e raised to the power of x ln of 4 dx. So this one here is very cool and simple. If you recall the formula I gave you earlier, so this is just e raised to the power of x ln of 4 divided by the ln of 4. Okay, so our I is equal to x times e raised to the power of x ln of 4, then divided by the ln of 4 minus, so if you check this product, ln of 4 times e to the power of x ln of 4 divided by ln of 4, so it will just give us e to the power of x ln of 4 divided by the ln of 4 squared, or ln squared of 4, right? So don't forget your constant. Okay, so take note, this right over here, don't forget, this is equal to 4 to the power of x. Did you forget that? This one here is equal to 4 to the power of x. Many may ask, what is ln squared of 4? Ln squared of 4 is not equal to ln of 4 squared, please. Okay, so don't do that mistake. So I will just give you something in general form. So using a variable x, so I can give you that ln squared of x is just simply ln of x whole squared. So don't forget that. Okay, then our answer now. So what is our answer? I, which is the given integral, is equal to x times 4 to the power of x divided by the ln of 4, then minus, so here we have 4 to the power of x divided by ln squared of 4, then plus c. So this right over here is our answer. Please, if you're enjoying my tutorials on this channel, please don't forget to support my channel by subscribing. Please subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share.